Paionelectric is designing the future of the energy industry with Professional Technology Research Institute, production plants, and business center acknowledged by the nation. The company acquired various patents with continuous R&D, as well as numerous certifications given by government, such as InnoBiz and Venture, and various official certification, such as ISO 9001 and 14001. Paionelectric's product has earned a title of Certified Innovative Product from numerous power generation companies with a private contract condition, which proves the excellence of the technology. Global renewable energy market continues to grow by more than 15% per year on average. South Korea expects to install renewable energy generation facilities with the scale of 30 nuclear power plants in the near future, such as photovoltaic and wind power. However, to increase renewable power generation, the power that leads the power grid, such as voltage and frequency stabilization, is crucial. Since current capability of stabilization relies entirely on fossil power, the suspension of renewable energy generation is increasing every year. Grid-forming inverter is the solution that supplies stability with renewable energy instead of fossil power generation. Paionelectric has capability of designing grid-forming converter that supplies constant voltage and frequency to power grid through electromagnetic-based modeling and simulation, as well as the engineering technology that identifies and diagnoses systematic influence in advance. If grid-forming inverter is installed in a location that is identified to be unstable in advance, inverter creates voltage and frequency on its own, increasing the stability of the power grid. Inverter with the grid-following method follows the external power supply as is and transmits a fixed amount of current, causing difficulty in phase alignment if there is a problem with external power supply. However, inverter with grid-forming method interacts with external power supply formings and yielding voltage and frequency on its own with excellent stability. Based on these technologies, Paionelectric developed Solar ESS Hybrid Grid-Forming System, promoted as the national project of Korea, and this authorized us to perform the following project: verification and conformity assessment through the preparation of technical standard for power system inertia resource in Jeju Island. In addition, through the project of the development of wind power combined inertia technology, Paionelectric plans to contribute to strengthening a power grid stability and inertial force, not only by grid forming, but also by other ways. Through pioneering spirit and self-challenging attitude to achieve global carbon neutrality, Paionelectric will provide a technology to secure the stability of the power grid. The beginning of carbon neutrality of Korea starts from Paionelectric.